Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. This is the ninth video in the series of tribal literature. Today, we will discuss an important issue in the study of tribal literature. The topic of discussion is tribal study, land rights, and displacement. The issue of land rights and displacement is a long standing concern that has been affecting tribal communities for centuries. With forced relocation from their ancestral lands, there has been loss of livelihood, which has had a profound impact on the lives of tribal communities. Loss of livelihood is the devastating consequence of displacement of tribals, as they are often forced to abandon the traditional ways of life like farming and hunting, which are deeply rooted in their ancestral land. As a result, they are left without means of supporting their families, leading to hunger, poverty, and malnutrition. As tribal communities are forced to adapt a new environment, their unique cultural identities, languages, and customs are slowly eroded. There is a deep sense of loss and emotional disconnection from their ancestral land and roots that has nourished their culture for generations. Loss of livelihood is not only an economic issue but also a cultural and social marginalization. The consequence of social and economic marginalizations has led to poverty and poor health outcomes. Forms of social and economic marginalizations. Number 1. Poverty and unemployment. Tribal communities face poverty and unemployment, making life difficult for them to survive. Number 2. Poor health outcomes. Tribal community often experience poor health, including high rates of infant mortality, malnutrition, and infectious disease due to limited healthcare services. Number 3. Social exclusion. Tribal communities face social exclusion, including discrimination, stigma, and marginalization, which make them unable to socialize and participate in community life. Tribal communities like Santals and Mundas have faced significant social and economic marginalization, including displacement, poverty, and limited access to education and health care. Examples of land rights and displacement in tribal literature. Mahashweta Devi's novel Mother of 1084 explores the theme of land rights and displacement in the context of Naxalite movement in India. Vinita Singh's novel, The Last Post, is about the struggle of tribal communities against displacement of land acquisition in the name of development. Hansda S. Shekhar's novel, The Mysterious Alignment of Rupi Baski, explores the theme of displacement and land rights in the context of tribal struggle for a mining project. The increasing demand for land and resources for development projects and conservations and other external factors had a profound impact on the lives of tribal communities. The study of land rights and displacement gives us deeper understanding of the tribal study in their context. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.